Hey guys, welcome to the first week, or welcome to this course of networking and security. The course I wanted to do like a little video, I guess you could call, I won't call it a lecture, but more of an introduction. Just wanted to let you know who I am. I'm Professor Seaman, Jeff Seaman, facilitating or teaching this course this semester or for the summer. This is your traditional 8-week class, so we're not meeting online or nothing like that. You work at your own pace. All assignments are due on Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. If you're going to be a day or two late, give me a heads up. If you're a week late, I'm sorry, it's a zero unless something awful happened. Let me know. And one of the things I just want to let you know, this is an 8-week course. I could have, I could be nice about stuff, and you're a week here or there. It's up to my discretion. But if you're like week 4, week 5, and you're like, hey, you know what? I've been really busy, blah, blah, blah. I wasn't able to get to it. Take it as a lesson learned. You will not get a good grade for that. Because I try to make my courses as realistic as to a work environment as possible. Working in an industry, and if you tell your boss or manager or whatever the case is, hey, you know what? I didn't get to that. That's not going to be good because they're paying you money to do a job. So just remember that moving forward. I will send reminders out if someone's missed an assignment or whatever from time to time to see what's going on. But at the same time, this is college. Nobody has time to babysit. So 8-week course, networking, security. It's all ran. So each week you'll have a discussion. They're worth 50 points. How that works, it's in the syllabus. But, excuse me, I'm getting over a cold. Initial post, you post something, 30 points. You respond to somebody's post, another 10 points. And you respond to a second person, another 10 points, and there's your 50 points. Easiest points that you could get. Summaries, write a summary. Don't use ChatGPT to write your summary for you. I'll be able to tell it was written by ChatGPT. Write from your heart what you learned for the week. We're learning about security. Security plays a key role in today's society. 20 years ago when, I was getting into the industry, this wasn't a thing. Security wasn't a thing that you thought about. You just wrote some code, pushed it, and had a day. Now it's a thing. Security plays a key role. Networking is the building foundation of that. So, talk about what you really learned. How did it change? Was it something that you knew? Did you learn something new? And so forth. So those are your summaries. I asked to do about 250 words. Sometimes I know you're not going to get 250. You might get 100 or whatever. Fine, but don't put, hey man, I learned this. Had a good day. That will not be acceptable. And then there's your homework assignment for a week. And there's a quiz as well. Quiz is worth a point. If you mess up on a quiz, you get to retake it again. There's no time limit. And I take the highest grade. What else? Homework assignments are due each week. This is only 8 weeks, so this is a good course that you learn a decent amount of information. Now, the videos are by a former professor, David, so you'll see when he's talking. It's not me talking. I'm in the process of redoing those under my name, but haven't not got to that yet. But his videos are pretty detailed, and they're still pretty good. What else? Appointments in the summer. I don't typically you could schedule an appointment, but in the summer I don't have office hours. But if you really need an appointment, just send me an email, send me a message on Element, and then we could figure something out. Element, if you don't have, I would suggest you do sign up for Element. It's a way that you can communicate with me. It's like sending a text message. I will put some information. I don't think I have it in the syllabus, but I'll put some information in the module how to get started with Element. I think it's a good lesson. And what I'll do is I'll add you to the Applied Computer Science. If you're not already there, you can be added to the Applied Computer Science group, and we post stuff in there like jobs and anything dealing with Applied Computer Science. So a good group to be part of. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. You just work at your own pace. So yeah, hopefully everyone has a good 8 weeks. If you have questions, reach out to me. Thanks for your time. And as you see here, it's midnight. My voice is not the best. So good night. See ya.